YouTube friends, Tom Matthews from Matthews Engineering here again. We've been making a lot of masks and I wanted to give you an update. One of the things we've changed is some of the hospitals have asked that the front and back side could be identified, so we've started turning the fabric around on the back side. Let's see if you can see that. And then the filtering efficacy is still as good with these in that way, but now a person that uses that can remember which side is the back. One of the doctors that we're working with asked, is there any way we can cut the fabric faster, and suggested, she saw some people using a laser. And I'm sure a laser would be very fast with a bit thick stack of fabric, but one of the fastest tools is this Fiskars Rotary Ruler, and I'm going to show you that and how quick that is. Regular scissors are okay if you've got some quality scissors, but it's slow and it's hard to get a straight edge. Here's a normal rotary cutter that's common, but this type of cutter, you have to use a ruler, or you can eyeball it and not too bad, but it's also kind of scary sharp. It does have a safety on there. But let me show you this tool. This rotary ruler, let's back out a little bit. It's got the ruler built in, and the thing I like about it is it's exactly 6.5 inches wide, and you'll see why that's good. Most of the patterns that people are making are recommended 6 by 9. We've been using 6.5 by 9, and you'll see why, and it makes a little better mask that bridges from the nose to the chin a little better. So I recommend 6.5 by 9, but let me show you how quickly you can cut fabric with a tool like this. This is the 6 by 24 Fiskars rotary ruler. So the first thing I do is cut the 9-inch piece off, and that makes for the most efficient use of the bolt. The bolt is going to be 22 inches from here to here, and so the 24-inch ruler works pretty good. You do have to have a cutting mat for this to work well. And the nice thing about these cutting mats is they're already marked out in inches. Here's 0, and here's the 9-inch part. So let me show you how quickly one of these can cut a 9-inch piece off. All you do is hold this firm, press down, draw it across there, and you got a perfect 9-inch piece. Okay, so now you need 6.5 inches. What I've been doing is coming over here. There's a selvage edge over here that we really don't want, so we're just going to cut that off. Just take about 3/4 of an inch of that off. Okay, now watch this. So this is 6.5 inches from here to here, which turns out is the perfect height for one of these masks. A little bigger than 6 inches, but if you just line the edge up over here, there's 1. Line the edge up again, 2. Line up again, 3. And there'll be a tiny scrap. Toss that aside. You got 3 masks ready to go. Tom Matthews, Matthews Engineering. Please remember to like and subscribe.